Imagine this. It's 50,000 years ago. The sun goes down, and suddenly, everything goes completely black. No phone, no lamp, no candle, no electricity, nothing. Just you, your tribe, and total darkness stretching for 10 to 14 hours every single night. So what did ancient humans actually do all night long? The answer is stranger, more social, and more human than you'd ever expect. First, let's understand what they were dealing with. For most of human history, we're talking hundreds of thousands of years, there was no such thing as artificial light. The moment the sun went down, the world went dark. Real dark. Not city dark where street lights glow through your curtains. We're talking absolute, complete, can't see your hand in front of your face darkness. And that lasted every single night, for your entire life, with no exceptions. Now, here's where things get interesting. Around 400,000 years ago, humans figured out how to control fire. And this changed nighttime forever, not just for warmth or cooking, but because fire did something nobody really talks about. It extended the day. Suddenly, ancient humans had 2, maybe 3 extra hours after sunset where they could actually see each other, move around, and most importantly, be social. No other animal on Earth had this. Just us. And scientists who have studied modern hunter-gatherer tribes, people who still live the way ancient humans did, discovered exactly what happened around that fire every night.
Number 1, they talked. A lot. Research shows that around 80% of ancient nighttime conversation was storytelling, not planning tomorrow's hunt, not arguing, actual stories, tales about dangerous animals, strange events, other tribes, hunts that went horribly wrong, spirits in the forest. This is actually where human storytelling was born, sitting in the dark, around a fire, sharing stories to make sense of the world. Number 2, they sang and danced. Almost every ancient tribe ever studied had some form of nighttime music. Simple drums made from hollowed wood or stretched animal skin, rhythmic clapping, singing together. Scientists now believe this is literally how music was invented, as a tool to bond the tribe together after dark. Number 3, they groomed each other. Yes, like chimps. Ancient humans spent a surprising amount of nighttime just physically taking care of each other, removing insects, fixing hair, treating small wounds. It sounds strange, but this is one of the most powerful ways humans built trust and friendship. Touch is bonding. Always has been. Number 4, they planned. The night was basically their meeting room. Away from the chaos and exhaustion of daytime hunting and gathering, the fire circle was where the tribe made its big decisions. Where to move next season, how to divide food fairly, what to do about that guy who keeps stealing from others. Democracy, justice, and leadership. All of it was worked out around a fire in the dark. Now here's something that will genuinely surprise you about how they actually slept. Ancient humans did not sleep the way you do. You probably sleep in one long block, 7 or 8 hours straight through the night. Ancient humans slept in 2 separate chunks. They'd fall asleep a few hours after dark, then naturally wake up in the middle of the night for 1 to 2 hours, then fall back asleep until dawn. Scientists call this biphasic sleep, and during that middle-of-the-night wake period, ancient humans would talk quietly, tend the fire, pray, or just lie there thinking under the stars. Here's the wild part. This 2-part sleep pattern was completely normal for all humans until artificial lighting appeared just 150 years ago and destroyed it. Of course, not every night was peaceful. The dark was genuinely terrifying. Lions, leopards, and hyenas are all most active at night, and ancient humans knew this better than anyone. So the campfire wasn't just social, it was survival. Predators are instinctively afraid of fire. A well-maintained campfire was the invisible wall between the tribe and everything trying to eat them. And because of this, every tribe had at least one person assigned to stay awake all night keeping the fire alive. the world's first night shift worker. Here's the part that blows my mind the most. Some scientists now believe that the nightly campfire gathering was actually the single most important moment in all of human evolution. Not the invention of tools, not hunting, not farming, the fireside chat. Because it was around that fire, in the complete darkness, that humans slowly developed language, storytelling, music, social rules, religion, and culture. Everything that separates us from every other animal on this planet. It was born at night, in the dark, around a fire. The darkness didn't hold ancient humans back. It literally made us who we are. So next time you turn off the lights and feel that little uncomfortable feeling in the dark, just remember, your ancient ancestors lived in that darkness every single night for hundreds of thousands of years. And instead of being paralyzed by it, they used it to build language, music, friendship, and civilization itself. If you found this interesting, you'll love our next video. Do animals actually know when a human is lying to them? The answer will genuinely shock you. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and drop a comment below. What do you think ancient humans talked about most around that fire? See you in the next one.